about to present business as a system. Once, the CEO of Snapchat said, it's not about working harder, it's about working the system. Today, my team, Maayer Dua, will present how a business system works and what a business system is. From this presentation, we will get to know how a business system works, controls, its adaptability, and what a business system is, how to maintain a business system. So, welcoming you all to our presentation. Let me introduce my team. I am Abrar. This is Zahid Ansari, our coordinator. This is Rob Hassan, and this is Mr. Riad Nadim Islam. So let us begin the show. Now, Mr. Jahid Ansari will introduce the business system to you. Thank you. Jahid Ansari, please tell us about how our business system works.
Thank you, Mr. Zahid. Continuing with our discussion, let's look into what is business system and how it works with the information system. We are living the era of the information system actually. Everything is controlled by information system and we use information system in every day for our every work. And as we see what is business, we can define by according to Louis Henry Harney, he said that business may be defined as a human activity direct towards proceeding or acquiring wealth through buying or selling something. So we can say that business is something to do what is buying or selling something and make profit by them. So giving service or buying and selling something by the information system is we can say that business as a system by use of information system. And by the use of information system in our day-to-day life, we can say everything is controlled by our information system. That as like where most of us are known about the Facebook or other social media, and we can use these types of things which is related to information system for use of business. So my next presenter, Mr. Rob Hassan, will continue with the procedure of business system. Mr. Rob, come to this podium.
Thank you, Mr. Zahid Ansari, for giving me space. This diagram shows that business cooperation is a complex process that involves a variety of stakeholders and resources. In order to be successful, business needs to carefully manage the flow of information and resources between the different stakeholders and ensure that they are all working together the same goal. In this slide, we can see 3 points. The success of business system depends on the effective management of all its input, process and outputs. Business needs to ensure that they have the necessary process in place, that their process are efficient and effective, and that their outputs meet the needs of their customers. That's all for me. Now my next presenter, Mr. Nadim, will share this.
Thank you, Rob, for giving me the stage. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Nadim Islam. Now I am talking about how to maintain business system. These are planning, controlling, organizing, and leading. Now I am going to talk about the adaptability. How business change and adjust to stay successful in the business world. And business needs to involve and make adjustment to stay competitive and free. Now that's all for me. Now I am going to talk about India for his speech. Thank you, Nadim, for giving this speech. As we know, As we know, system run the business and people run the system. So business is very essential, and so the system is also very essential for business. My previous teammates have discussed about what is business as a system, how does it work, and adaptability of business, and that's all. Now, my next presenter, Mr. Nadim will conclude you and make a session of question answering session. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
Hello everyone, that's all for us. And if you are feel free to ask any question, any queries in your mind, you can ask. Any question, please? Please ask.
I want to ask about your conclusion. There's a writing that Maayer Dua. What do you want to mean by that?
Actually, that's not the conclusion. That's our team names. It's a typical names of our lots of business. We can find this name. There's Maayer Dua Poribohon, Maayer Dua Store, and a lots of things we can find that lots of business institution we will find this name. So follow the traditional method. We named our team as Maayer Dua. Thank you. Any other question, please? Thank you. Thank you all.
তোমাদের স্লাইডে এত কম কেন? স্লাইডে কিছুই রাইটিং নেই। তোমরা বলছো বাট সিনক্রোনাইজেশন হচ্ছে না তো। ঠিক আছে? না আমি বলছি না তোমাদের স্পিকার ভালো ছিল বাট তোমাদের স্লাইড প্রেজেন্টেশনটা উইক ছিল। ওকে? আর তোমরা সবাই ওখানে জড়ো হয়ে আছো কেন? স্পিকার থাকবে মাঝখানে, বাকিরা থাকবে ওখানে কেন? তো দেখে বলছো, স্লাইড দেখে বলছো, হাতে কি কিছু আছে? তাহলে ওখানে সবাই স্ট্যান্ডিংয়ে দাঁড়াবে। এক পাশে থাকো, তোমরা স্পিকার একদিকে থাকো। ঠিক আছে? বোঝা গেছে?
ওকে ম্যাম।
আর যারা হাতে পান কার্ড বা সামথিং রিটেন কিছু আছে তাহলে তো কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। আর যদি কেউ স্লাইড দেখে বলো তাহলে অবশ্যই তোমাদের যারা গ্রুপে আছে তারা এক সাইড হয়ে দাঁড়াও। মনে হচ্ছে যে সবাই লাইন দিয়ে আছে। ইটস নট ওকে। ওকে? নেক্সট গ্রুপ।
Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.